Hiya, Martin here. Thank you for joining me. I hope you're all well and you've had amazing creative run-ups to the Christmas and the festive holiday season. This isn't a project video, this is a video of thanks and announcements. So first off, I'd like to say a big thank you to everybody who has watched, looked at, subscribed, commented, liked and shared all my videos and posts on Facebook, YouTube and Instagram this year. Your support has been unending and it has been great, so thank you very much. There's loads more coming next year. I can't wait to share it with you all. And also, if you are a Hampshire Sheen customer, Hampshire Sheen user, Hampshire Sheen follower, big thank you to you too. There are some major announcements coming for Hampshire Sheen early in the new year, and I will let you know those when the time is right, but it's not quite yet. But it's very exciting indeed. I'm really pleased to say that Axminster Tools and Machinery have booked me for a second world tour of their stores. That's all 8 of the stores around the UK, and we've teamed up to offer a competition or a contest, a draw, for somebody to win 3 hours tuition with me and £40 worth of Hampshire Sheen goodies at each of the stores around the country. The 3 hours tuition will happen on the day before the demonstration, and all of the information about how to enter the competition will be in the description of this post. So if it's on YouTube, it's down below. If it's on Facebook, it's up there. I'm really looking forward to that. I had such an amazing time going around all of their stores this year, and it's going to be really good to get back round to see everybody again and introduce you to some new demonstrations and some new techniques. And I'm really happy to announce that I've been invited to become a contributing writer to the Woodworker magazine. It's a great magazine that covers everything from flat work through to lathe work and everything in between. And my first article will be coming out in March. So in the March issue, you can get the magazine and see what I'm producing. The magazine articles will include the instructions and some designs, and those articles will be backed up with videos as well on my YouTube channel. I'm really pleased to have been invited, and it's an absolute pleasure to be working with them to reach even more people with my project ideas and videos and stuff like that. It's really exciting. So all in all, 2020 is going to be bonkers busy, and I want to say again a big thank you to all of you for all of your support, your likes, your comments, your shares. You are all absolutely amazing. So I want to wish you all as well a very Merry Christmas, happy holidays and everything else that goes with the season, and I'll look forward to seeing you all again early in the new year for 2020, and also my 100th project video, which I've been practicing over the last few weeks. It's going to be a good one. Thanks very much. Merry Christmas. Bye for now.